how to change location on Snapchat maps. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to install an app which is known as Fake GPS, which you can see in the screen. The link of this app is given in the description box, so you can simply tap the link and download it from there. For that, you have to go to your phone settings, and here in the search bar you have to tap and search for developer settings. After that, you have to tap on developer options over here. If you are unable to find the developer options, then you can follow this simple step. For that, go back and you have to scroll down below and tap on about phone option over here. After that, you have to scroll down below and you'll be able to see the build number option over here. So you have to repeatedly tap on the build number option for 6 to 7 times. After that, you'll be switched to developer, and after that you'll be able to get the developer option in your device. After that, open up the developer option, and here you have to scroll down below and tap on select mock location app option. So tap on that. After that, you have to select the Fake GPS option over here. So after that, you have to go back, and for once you have to clear all the pages so that the Snapchat also will be refreshed and location can be set. So after that, we have to launch Fake GPS app. Here we have to tap on I agree option. You have to allow access to the device location, so you have to tap on while using the app option over here. So after that, you can move the location and set, or you can either tap on the search bar and search for the location. So after that, you have to select the option. So after tapping on go, you have to go back. So after that, map on your snap will be displayed according to the map that you have set in the Fake GPS app. So by following this simple step, you can change location on Snapchat maps. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.